Welcome to Ahmedabad Railway Station. The station has a total number of 10 platforms, 1 overbridge pass and 2 foot overbridges. The station has 4 gates for entry. Near gate number 1 has refreshment hall, executive lounge, waiting halls, water booth, medical are present at the ground floor, which can be reached via any gate. Retiring room, officers' restroom are present at the first floor. Gate number 4 has ATM, RMS, toilet and booking office at the left. Passenger amenities which are present at the station are parking areas, medical, retiring room, waiting rooms, information center, executive lounge, parcel office, refreshment room, Divyang water booths, Divyang toilet, metro station at the back entrance of the station, luggage and cloakrooms available. Foot overbridge 1 has stairs to each platform from 1 to 10. Escalators are present at the entrance of the station, also at platform 2 and 3. Lift at platform 6 and 7. Foot overbridge 2 has stair and escalators at the entrance of the station, lift at each platform 1 to 9 and stairs at platform 2 to 9. There are wheelchairs and portable ramps available at the station to facilitate person using wheelchair to board the train. Platform numbers in Braille are mentioned on the indicators installed on the railings of stairs and ramps leading towards the platform. Braille signboards have been installed for all the offices and facilities like toilets, waiting halls, etc. to help people with visual disabilities. A station map in Braille and English that gives the overview of the station premise and facilities is installed in the main entry hall to facilitate people with visual disabilities. The stairs have reflective light strips at the starting and at the end of the stairs to assist people with low vision. Scannable audio, video about the information about the railway station that can be played over the phone by scanning the code installed at various locations. The initiative of providing braille signs and other facilities for people with visual disabilities, including this video, is driven by India Railways in association with Standard Chartered Bank and executed by Anuprayaas in association with Samarthanam Trust.